Hello and welcome to another episode. This episode is tech related, and on this episode I'm going to give you 3 Photoshop alternatives that are free. Yes. If you want to be a graphics designer and you're just starting, or if you want to be able to do like simple image manipulations or simple graphics for your business or for your side projects or for whatever reason, but you don't want to invest in an expensive program, or you can't afford an expensive program at this stage of your career, then there are three completely free alternatives that can help you achieve your goals. So the first one is Gimp. So Gimp is a cross-platform open source program, which means that it works on Windows, on Mac and on Linux. And it is the closest to Photoshop in a sense that it is a program that you have to download and use it on your computer. I have used it in the past. I used it a while ago. It has some learning curve, but it's not that dramatic. It's not that bad. So I would say if you want to use a program, if you need like a real program to do your graphics design or for your image manipulations or edits or whatever, it is worth downloading and give it a go. And there are many tutorials, of course, too out there so that you can Google and learn it. I don't think it will take you more than a couple of days or something like that to get a hang of it, and it has the same or similar principle as far as I can remember it. Like you have layers, like on Photoshop, and you have your image and you add a layer and you do whatever edits you need to do. Now, the second on my list is a web application. That means that you go to your web browser and you access it, and it is Pixlr.com. Now, this is a browser application. As I say, you just go to your browser and you go to this URL, and there you can upload a picture. You can use a picture, and it has a similar interface to a Photoshop, and you can do basic adjustments and like resizes. I use it mostly when I need to resize a picture, and it has developed it a bit over the years. There is an Express editor and there is like more of a real editor, and you can access both versions on the website, and there is a premium version as well. But for what I want to do, for just simple resizing, if I just want to resize an image, just go there, do it, and I don't need Photoshop or anything expensive to do that. And it also has a mobile application, and it is very cool because the mobile app, it has a lot of filters that you can use for your pictures, upload stuff on Instagram. So it can work also on your phone as well as a editor. Pixlr.com, very useful, very user-friendly as well. I highly recommend it. And now for the third option, which is what I have been using the most lately, it is canva.com. And just let me say that I am not affiliated with any of those programs or software or applications. There is no sponsorship, nothing whatsoever. Those are programs that I have been using myself, and I do use them on not a daily basis, but whenever I want to do any image manipulation, I use Pixlr or Canva. And so Canva is very useful, especially if you want to create like even YouTube thumbnails, or if you want to create logos, or if you want to create Instagram templates. It has a pre-designed template, or YouTube channel art, or even Twitch channel art. It has its own templates. It has Facebook posts, it has Pinterest templates. It has a big library of free templates and free images and elements and like graphics, as in shapes and emojis and I don't know, different kind of small images, and that you can add in a bigger image, that you can create something. It has also a premium version, but I use the free for pretty much everything that I do. I mean, I am using Canva for my channel art on my YouTube channel and for making my thumbnails. And when I was doing some Pinterest images previously in the past, I was using only Canva. It has templates for presentations, logos, Twitch banners, YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, a poster, videos even, documents, Facebook covers, anything, resumes even. So if you want to have a CV, you can use Canva. Cards, postcards, anything. I find it very useful. I mean, I see myself, I'm using Canva more and more. And if in the future I find it to be my main platform that I'm using, I will consider even purchasing something. And as I said, I'm not affiliated, nothing whatsoever. So to summarize again, if you want to use a Photoshop but you can afford to have it, or you don't want to do this investment, then I recommend Gimp, Canva, or pixlr.com. Those are three resources that I highly recommend, that I'm using myself. Not Gimp so much lately, but I have used it in the past, and it's a very solid program, software, and I do recommend those programs. I hope you can find those resources useful for your projects, and thank you so much for watching. Consider subscribing if you're new to this channel, give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.